Hello traders, Bank Nifty future chart. It's a 1 minute chart. Daily basis we are watching how the calls are generating in this chart and how it's performing in live market. Today November 17 at 11:50 a buy signal generated. So a green color candle opened. Buy at 42,553 is our entry point that got triggered in live market. Whenever a signal generated, you will receive call like this in live market. If it's a buy call, you will receive a green color candle, and if it's a sell call, you will receive red color candle. From open point of the candle color is fixed, and you will get the entry point as the open point only. As you can see, that straight white color line from candle buy at 42,553 entry point. So, and above green color line target line, first green color line first target, that is more than 107 point, 42,659.40. So 42,660 is our first target range that need to break out the first target. So let's wait and see how this call performs in live market. On daily basis, whenever a trend breakout happen, you will receive signal like this automatically. Every day you are just going to open the chart and you are just going to watch the chart like you are watching the video right now. By just watching the chart, you will get the signal and you are just going to place the order manually. If you want to do auto trade also means it is possible by we are connecting through your broker. So auto trading also possible from this chart on. Let's wait and see how this call works in live market. Market was moved very slow movement and it was pure a sideways market. As we can say, it's a death market also, because only for investors the market is looking like a new high, everyday new high achieving. Market is going continuously on positive side. Meanwhile, for intraday traders, there is no volume from the intraday traders. According to the intraday traders, market is not at all moving very much. As you can see, the buy call generated at 11:50. Right now the time is 2:50. It took 3 hours to achieve the first target range. That is nothing more than a mere 107 point. Just to move a 100 point, it took 3 hours. Can you see the chart right now? From the entry point of the buy call, market trading between the entry point to the first target range only. During first 1 hour, it moved only 30 point movement. Here is the buying point. From the first 1 hour, it's a buying point, entry point range only it traded. After 1 hour, slowly, step by step, it started to move in upper side. Finally, it reached the first target before 3 p.m. So, it took 3 hours to achieve the first target range. Like this only the buy call generated today and it break out the first target. Bank Nifty today expiring weekly option 42,000 call option. We are watching a deep in the money option chart. As you can see in this option chart, market currently trading at 560 range. But the buy call generated a 3 hours back at 11:50. The buy call came at 474 range, and market at downside movement happened for 20 point, but it made a recovery, and in that recovery it moved all the way up to the 620 range and currently trading at 570. So like this only today option chart also worked. Due to its today expiring, it is having some volatile volume movement in option chart. If you want to know about this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe and you are just going to watch the chart like you are watching the video right now. You are just going to watch the chart daily basis and get the signal, trade according to it. Manual trading also possible as well as auto trading also possible according to the chart. If you want to subscribe for it, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.